Hello everybody, my name is Shay Ninzy and I have a special guest here with me today. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, at Stage Right. Stop it. You should follow me. No, I'm leaving it all in there. Come here, he's camera shy. I have a special guest who's camera shy. This is my best friend. So today, follow me on Instagram at Shay Ninzy. Like, comment, subscribe for all this craziness. As y'all can see, I suffer from acne. And that's why I start all my videos, if you know. So today, I thought I would have my best boyfriend do my makeup for me. I did a little poll on YouTube and you guys said you kind of wanted both the chat to get ready with me, which I already did, which you guys should check out. And now I'm doing the boyfriend does my makeup. So I haven't pulled out anything for him. I'm literally just like gonna let him do his thing. He's seen me do my makeup before, so I'm expecting great things. Let's get started. Let's get it! Ready to do it? Do it with me? Let's get it! Alright, so like I said, he's done my makeup, or he's not done my makeup before. He's seen me do my makeup before, so I have high hopes.
But I've never done makeup before, ever.
No, he's never done makeup before, ever. So, but yeah. Are you ready for this?
I guess so.
So, what do we start with?
I believe we need to start with some foundation.
Oh, okay. Alright, tell them what you picked.
I picked the CoverGirl Outlast All Day.
Okay. Foundation. Alright, how do I put it on? You see. Yes! But that's fine. It's kind of dirty.
Do you need a clean one?
No. It's fine. We'll just use it. Okay, go. Okay.
What's so funny?
Can't take this seriously. Okay, go. Oh, look at that technique. Look at that bouncing. He's seen me bounce. He knows how it goes. This is so nice. I haven't had my makeup done in like a really long time. Like, the last time I got it done, kind of, was in 2012. Look at my face.
Y'all, it's probably messed up here too.
Okay. I probably shouldn't have the viewfinder on so that I could see it at the end, how it looks, but oh well.
You just know what you're in for the whole way.
Yeah. It's fine. It's a journey.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I told you could have picked it out and just let me
No.
figure out what to do. But
No. You gotta tell me what you want. It's even an extra challenge. Am I looking pretty white?
Mm-hmm.
It's fine. It's fine. I'm not going anywhere. It's good. We're all good. Alright, next step. What comes next? The look up top. He's like looking at me like. Alright, tell him what you picked.
Some, how do you pronounce that?
Tarte.
Some Tarte concealer.
Shape Tape concealer. Everyone on YouTube loves that stuff. Thank you. What's so funny is this is my summer shade. So we got dark concealer, but light foundation.
You're looking like a clown.
It's fine. How you go? Oh, I just gave it away.
You pointed at the sponge?
Yeah, I pointed at the sponge. Whoops. Do you want me to look at you more?
Sure.
Okay. Doing that so you can get under my eyes. Alright, we're going with it. It's good, it's Gucci. Okay, what comes next? So we grew up on the same street as kids, and I moved away in 1999 when I was 8 years old. We were like BFFs. I was friends with him and his sister, and then I moved away, and I was so sad, wasn't I?
Mm-hmm.
So sad. And then, of all places, We reconnected on Tinder. And here we are again. Best friends again. Say what you picked.
The Maybelline Fit Me Bit Loose Finishing Powder.
Good job. Oh wait, do not open it that way. That would be a disaster. See? Gotta open it like that. He picked the lightest shade that I have.
Well, at least I did the light foundation too. You just pick a clean brush.
You can pick whatever you want. Then you can, yeah. Because that has holes in it. So it'll kind of get off the excess. Okay. His face, he was like, the doubt.
It's a lot of powder.
I am looking like a clown. Oh, no, what is that? Should you put some under the eyes, maybe? Is that the concealer? Well, you kind of need some more powder, I think. What comes next?
I think
So you say you need a palette? Alright. So eyeshadow? Okay. There you go. Have at it.
I picked the Center Stage Pinky Rose Cosmetics because I was at the store when she bought this one.
Yeah, exactly. So we went to Riley Rose. If you guys haven't been there, it's amazing. And I kept looking at this palette, walked around, kept looking at it. Then we left the store and I just couldn't stop thinking about it. And he was like, you should get it. And I was like, I'm gonna go back and get it. So that's that story. Okay. Yeah, he just used these in here. Oh, he picked a blending brush. Alright.
So I take it that was the wrong choice.
No, that was good. That's the right choice. Yeah, you're right. You got that one. That's what I'm saying. I was like, oh, you picked a blending brush. Okay.
I did do multiple.
Alright, well. What do you want your eyeshadow look like?
I think we should go with maybe a little Weekend.
Oh, a little Weekend? Which one? That's this brown. Here. Down at the bottom. Okay. Go ahead. Okay. Alright. Oh. Oh.
What? I don't think I got enough.
Are you gonna get enough?
It's not doing much.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I guess it is. It's hard to tell in this light.
Oh. Oh, you're gonna need it back in again, that's for sure. Going back into Weekend. Actually doesn't look that bad from back here. It really doesn't look that bad, actually. I'll just have to see it close up. We can see it on the monitor, but I can't really see it, so. Alright. Cool beans. What do you want to do next?
With another color.
Oh, you just want that? He's going with one lid color. Looks amazing. Okay, what comes next? What comes next?
I'm gonna need some eyeliner and.
Oh, okay.
You ready?
I'm ready for my wings. He always tells me what he always tells me.
Your wings are on point.
And they're so sharp they go, cut a bitch! He knows how to compliment. Okay.
It's gonna be bad.
Okay, wait, how do you want me to be positioned? How do you want me to look like that? I feel it like burning slightly.
Uh-oh.
I'm afraid to hand me a paper towel. Just in case my eye starts watering. Okay.
I'll do the underside too.
Okay.
I clearly gotta fill in some spots.
Okay. Okay, how do you want me to look? You want me to keep my eye like...
I don't know.
Ready to close it?
I don't know. I think It's too far gone already.
It's too far. Not bad.
Should we try the other eye or keep trying to fill this one in?
Do you ever? How do you want me to look?
Yeah, it's fine.
Do you want me to keep my eye open?
I'm gonna do some lash work.
Yeah, okay. So
You
what
want
do you need for that?
I need to put yours on.
Do you want me to put... You always comment my lashes. Here, you can use these. Use these. I use tweezers. Yep, those are my tweezers I use.
What, just while you're to help or just
Yeah, to help. Or you can just use your finger if you want. It's been 26 minutes. You're not doing too bad, actually. You're doing pretty good about how long I do. I'm gonna put them on.
trying to just make sure they're secure.
Sandwich them. Are they on how you want them to be? Your face, he's like, okay.
They're definitely not connected to your eyelashes.
They're
You have
not?
like 3 sets of eyelashes now.
3? Where's the... Oh,
Your
bottoms.
bottoms,
And then... Oh my gosh. Okay, what comes next? What else is missing?
What from your eyes?
No, what?
Did you use some like mascara or something?
Yeah. Oh, I can feel the glue. Oh my god.
I'm trying not to poke your eye out.
The concentration. Okay. What's next?
I feel like we need something to connect those together.
Do you want me to push them together?
Yeah.
Did that help?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can do something with the eyebrows.
Yeah? Okay, I use one thing. Here. Eyebrows. Oh, let me close my eyes.
Oh, I already closed your
My eyebrows on fleek! That's so funny! Oh my gosh! Eyebrows on fleek. Do I look okay like this? Am I done?
No.
Okay.
We need some lip stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream.
Okay. Tickles. Not that bad. Okay. It's going with Catrice High Glow. This is a good one. I got this one in Germany. We can get Catrice here.
Yes, no.
Brush of choice. Oh, okay. Like that there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this side I see. Where's this side? Get it on there. Oh, there. There it is. A little bit. Okay.
It's a little light on everything else.
Okay. You went with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush. This one. In Parte. I think this is like the free birthday one. Okay. Oh, and he picked a blush brush! The one, you got one brush right. Good job.
I think I got one other one right.
Oh yeah, and your crease brush. Good job. You're right, you're right. And the foundation brush for the powder. That was right. Kind of. Oh, beautiful.
Yep. Well done. I mean, your finishing spray.
Okay, here. Got some Jar Cosmetics Slay all day.
So that's what it feels like when you always
Oh yeah, it
spritz me.
does. I know. Sometimes when I'm doing my spray, I spritz him. Oh, and now he knows. Oh, he knows. I always fan my face. So close. Oh, he knows. Okay. Here's the finished look.
Expert job, professional level.
Professional level. We have the new, I can't even think of any makeup artist names right now. We got the new Makeup by Mario right here. Kim Kardashian, you need a new makeup artist.
Right here.
Mario is no good. Got Jarrett here. So, is it time for the big reveal? Because I can see, but I can't really see. You know what I'm saying? Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
My foundation is so light. I look like a clown. Oh my gosh, I look I mean, you blended the foundation really, really well. The eyeliner,
It needs a little work, yeah.
I mean, the eyelashes aren't terrible. Eyeshadow. Okay. Let's do a little close up. Do you see this?
I think it's better from afar.
As my boss says, good from afar, but far from good. Okay. I mean, the eyelashes, that's what we need to look at. This lovely situation. Well, thanks guys for watching. If you guys want to see this goob in another video, I think this video should get to 1,000 likes, and then I'll do his makeup.
Uh-oh.
Are you up for that?
I don't know.
I think that'd be fun, right?
We'll see. We'll see if you get the likes.
If I get to 1,000 likes. Come on, fam. Push through. Let's get this boy some pretty makeup. Let me show a true artist, or like show what a true artist is capable of. I'm not good at doing other people's makeup. It's so different doing other people's makeup than doing it on yourself. It's, yeah. Let's turn Jarrett into Jarita. I don't know. Alright, thanks guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for suggesting or wanting me to do this video. You got anything you want to say? How'd you think of your first YouTube experience? Now you know how it all like works and everything. What'd you think?
I think it went alright. Definitely need a little more practice in the makeup and the YouTube departments. But
yep. If you want to see more videos, leave suggestions down below. Hit a girl up. Thank you guys so much for watching and have an amazing day.